A unified front in Luzerne County today as state and federal leaders sat down with local law enforcement to tackle some of the toughest challenges facing communities across Pennsylvania. From crime rates to funding shortages, officials say meaningful change will require teamwork and tough conversations. Fox 56's Elizabeth Hakis has the story.
At Luzerne County Courthouse, a panel of local leaders, Pennsylvania Attorney General Dave Sunday, Congressman Rob Bresnahan, State Representative Brenda Pugh, and State Senator Lisa Baker, gathered with local law enforcement to face growing concerns head-on. Among them, crime rates on the rise, a lack of juvenile placement options, and funding gaps that officials say are making it harder to protect communities.
A really important part of the conversation today also pertained to our ability in today's world to hire police officers. It is a huge crisis that people don't want to be police officers anymore.
Sunday says part of the challenge is the unrealistic expectations placed on police officers today.
We have this expectation in society that police officers are counselors, domestic violence counselors, mental health counselors, substance abuse counselors, that they have to be all things to all people, oftentimes, 15 times in an 8-hour shift.
The group also addressed gun and gang violence, substance abuse, and how a shortage of juvenile facilities is straining local systems. Police say promised federal grants haven't come through, and it's affecting critical programs. Senator Lisa Baker highlighted the need to reevaluate funding formulas that haven't changed since 1995, especially for district attorneys' offices and regional drug task forces.
The drug task force officers all throughout Pennsylvania, yes, their number one job is to investigate and arrest drug dealers, but they are also at the tip of the spear with regard to so many other societal crimes. Human trafficking, oftentimes they're the people that come into contact with victims of trafficking.
Senator Baker emphasized this is just the beginning of a longer conversation.
It will continue because it doesn't end today when we walk out of the room. It's just the beginning of the priorities for our new Attorney General.
Leaders say the message to police is clear. They're not alone, and they're committed to delivering the tools needed to meet the moment. In Luzerne County, I'm Elizabeth Hakis with Fox 56 News, First at 10.
And officials say they plan to keep that dialogue open with more meetings and discussions to get the resources local law enforcement say they desperately need.